3-channel Dashcam with WDR technology, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, infrared night vision, G sensor, loop recording, 24-hour parking monitor. All this with Gmaipop Dashcam we are going to review with. The specs of this camera is amazing. Join with me to find out more insight of this Dashcam. Welcome back to FPS. Like and subscribe. This is what we have in the box, the Dashcam. It has a two eyes watchdog. One is in the front and the other is look back inside the car. What you guys are doing, like a watchdog. So that is this one. It looks very premium, guys. It's not looks very cheap. The build quality is very good. And here it is printed in 3-channel Dashcam, and here it is a 4K UHD. And you see here, this is the wall mounting bracket, and here is the back camera socket, and this is a Type-C charging port. And in the right, there is a, for me it is right. When it is going to fix in the car, it will be left. So there is a card, TFR micro SD card holder is here, and this is the mic, and this one reset hole with a kind of paper clip. You can just insert it and hold it for a few seconds, and it will be resetting to your original setup. So in the back, it is 2.4 inch, nice good LCD. We will power on shortly and see how is the clarity is. And here is the infrared camera to catch everything within in the car, inside the car. And there is a 4 infrared lights also there to capture even in the dark the good images it will capture, I guess. Okay, that's all in the front and back. And in the side there is a air vent, and here also there is one air vent is. So two areas on the top, on the bottom there is a 2 air vents are there, two sides. And here are some buttons are given. I will put line by line. This is a SD card package, guys. Behind this SD card there is a story. We have ordered the Dashcam with the SD card, but the Dashcam received without SD card. So when we complained, they dispatched this one separately. Of course, we paid the shipping charges extra. NetTalk.
The product can enjoy 10-year warranty service with a valid purchase certificate. Sequential writing speed of 10 megabytes per second, 30 megabytes.
Now. So it's read the card very nicely, and it shows need to format. So you can do those kind of activities in these buttons. The first one, see, it is recording, and this one the shooting mode, and this is the files, and this is the Wi-Fi connection, this is the power on. There are some special features you should know before you use this camera. Here is the menu. This camera, it is activated. First one, there is you can see from here there is a settings icon is there, right? Just press in the below button next to it, then you are getting the menu. This menu icon you can up and down change using these buttons in the below buttons. Okay, here what I'm going to show, loop record. See, this is the loop record. What it will do, here you can set the time, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, only maximum 5 minutes. That is loop record. That will overwrite in the first 5-minute videos if it is available. So if the storage is getting full, then your video clips will be replaced the previous 5-minute clips. So the latest one always available with your records. That is one good feature. The next one I want to show, here you can see there is a resolution. Look at resolution, 4K video it is capable. 1080p equal to 25 frames per second, 2K videos 30 frames per second, and also 1080p with 30 frames per second. So whichever you require based on your storage capacities, you can keep by default. Right. In the center button you have to press to get it go. So the resolution we have seen. Then other one, VDR function. VDR function you always keep on to shoot your night vision footages very clearly. You can on and off based on your requirement if you want to save the battery. Audio record, you can keep it on or off. That option also available in the menu. G sensor, this is one good option. When the car got some kind of accident, some hittings and kind of things, it will automatically detect the accident, and instantly it will record the video. The next function, parking monitor, parking guard. Parking guard, it will monitor 24 hours parking, but you have to give the power supply 24 hours in the camera. When anything hit in the car, it will automatically detect the accident, and it will record it, and it will lock automatically the recorded footage. USB mode you can change whether it is storage or it is charge. backflip function here. This is now I kept on. This is how it is. In the front facing camera, it is capturing correctly. This is the third back camera. It is showing left to right, right to left. You can monitor from here, this one. That is the backflip function. Camera mode is here. Front camera, back camera, or rear camera, anything you can choose from here. So now the recording is started. It's running with one app I already installed. The recording window, and here you can change front camera or rear camera, the landscape or portrait mode, and here mic, if you want to on and off, you can do that also. And here you can take the photo also using your app. Stop the record first, switch to photo mode, it will take the photos. Where it is recorded, you can find out from here. It is the front camera, left is the interior. Still we didn't connect the back camera. Connect this is the back camera, and also it comes with a very good length of wires. It's appearing in the phone. So you can shoot and record in your rear camera as well in your phone, and if you are connecting to Wi-Fi, you can view online also. And here some footages I'm showing you guys, but at the moment I didn't fix with the car, but this is the same effect, but the quality of the video clips are very good, guys. You can see from here I'm putting a little bit time lapse here. This is the night vision cameras. I am carrying this one by hand, but you see it's not that much shaky as well. So yeah, decent steady cam also it's enabled. It's good, and it is a night vision infrared enabled. See here how clear this footages, and also some photos also I will share with you. So you can see, you can click the photos as well. So it is one of the fantastic device, I can say, as a car dashcam. So I'm giving you the purchase link in the description below. If you like, you can check it out, and also on the car wire connection settings also giving in the link in the description. If you like, you can check it out both. So that's all it, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.